Good morning, vlog. Welcome to my life. Gideon's not having a very good day today, but today is an exciting day because we're going to Vegas. This is our first time going. We're going for the weekend for a wedding, and I'm super excited. I'm very nervous about it. As you can see, Gideon's not having the best time of his life right now, fighting a nap. Jacob's in there. I'm not just leaving my kid by himself. But yeah, I'm really excited, and I want to vlog because I love vlogging my trips for you guys. So yeah, this is gonna be the start of my Vegas vlog, and I'm really excited. We made it, you guys! It was the longest flight. It felt like Gideon did so good. Everyone was saying how good he did. And so now we're just waiting for Jacob's parents at baggage claim. But it looks so cool. This is just inside the baggage claim, so it's like really not anything special, but I'm so excited. It's day 2 and we came to the Grand Canyon. This is beautiful. We're getting ready to go on the skywalk right now, and I don't know if it's capturing just how beautiful this is. I'm gonna turn it around and show you guys, like, there's like a little hut and stuff here. It's so pretty. So we just went out on the Grand Canyon, and it was funny because I was like making fun of everyone because there were people like that was scared of it, and I was like, why is everyone scared? It's not that bad. I got out there and I was like so scared because there's like little gaps in between the glass, and my caster wheels kept getting stuck in it, and I was freaking out because I was like, this is how I die. This is it. This is how I die. But it was actually really cool, and I'm glad that we did it. And I think we're gonna get pictures, so I'll show you those in a second. I'm gonna turn this around. We're eating at the cafe thingy right now, and I'll show what I can show you. Have Jacob show you, actually. I'm not doing very well, guys. This machine right here took all my money, and I'm sad about it. The cool thing about gambling, that's not a straw, is you get free drinks. It's good. It is day 3 and our last day here. My camera keeps not opening. It's our last day here, and so I'm gonna get ready real quick. I'm gonna get you guys set up. Is that better? That's better. That's better. We're going to the wedding today, so now I've got to rush to get ready. We did not win at the casino last night. I didn't spend all the money that I was gonna spend. Jacob did, so that's fun. But we did not win. Also, I don't know if I've told you this, but my ring broke while we were here. So we're gonna have to go get that fixed when we get home. That's frustrating. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready real quick, and then I guess I will talk to you guys when I'm done getting ready. So I'll see you in just a second. Okay, and I am ready. I didn't do my hair like super great, so I don't know how it looks, but we're rushing on time per usual, so you can come in, babe. Yeah, so Jacob is wearing Allen attire because he's the flower guy with Gideon in this. So we're dressing Gideon up as a little baby. Yeah, the little baby. And Jacob's gonna wear him down the aisle. So that's why Jacob's wearing that. I think I'm gonna put a cardigan over this. Little romper action, because this is what I wore to her bridal shower. I don't have any nice clothes. So I tried shopping, but I don't know if anyone else experiences this. Like, shopping when you're plus size is really hard because all the stuff, I just feels like it's not stylish. So I went with what I knew worked for me, which is this. It's breastfeeding friendly, it's comfortable, and I'll just put a little cardigan over it. And Jacob's mom was gonna let me borrow a necklace, I think, so I may borrow that. I don't really know, but anyway, yep. Okay, I have to hurry and get ready now. Bye. Before we leave, I want to show you guys our little hotel room. We actually got another room for the second night. It's not accessible, but there's a little bathtub, and then there's the stand-up shower, and there's the toilet, but it's just really cute. And then there's where I was just getting ready at. We just got out of the wedding, and I don't know if I told you guys, but his sister is the one that's getting married, and she had Jacob and Gideon dressed up like Alan and Carlos from The Hangover. I don't share pictures or anything like that of my son online, so I can't show you, but it was hilarious. They were the flower dudes, and they threw flowers, and it was super cute. But we just finished with the wedding. We're waiting to do pictures, and then we're probably gonna go to the reception, and then we have to haul butt to get to the airport in time.
I would say Dad get a to-go box, but can't take it on the plane.
We're going home now. It has been a long ass day, but we're going home. Our flight got changed so many times, and that's my son because he's hungry. So yeah, we're going home now, guys.